Good morning. So I haven't been to sleep. I had a shower and that gave me heaps of energy. And now here I am, still watching Dexter. I ordered that phone that I was talking about. I think it's a Galaxy S3 knockoff and it was like 115 bucks. That should be here by like Tuesday or something. But yeah, Declan's coming over tonight. He'll be over all weekend, which is amazing. And so looks like it's going to be a good weekend. I'm looking forward to it. Declan's playing with the toy we got him for his birthday. Is it awesome? Declan? Yeah. Do you like it? It's awesome. Yeah. Oh, backwards. It's going to hit the camel. Don't let it hit the camel.
Because it will hurt his leg.
Yeah, it'll hurt Henry's leg. He's hit so many walls so far, it's not even funny. He picks it up when he can't steer it, moves it somewhere else. So cute. I had an idea. Oh, by the way, we just went to go to the shops in the car and there was a massive ass huntsman, which is a spider if you don't have them where you live. I'm sure you do. And it crawled over the windshield to Elisa's side of the passenger side of the car. Elisa opened the door and I swear it went inside, so I'm not going to the shops in that car. I'm sorry, but that's like scary. That's the Christmas tree, by the way. Doesn't it look fantastic? Zoom in. Very classy, very nice. But yeah, my fantastic idea is doing this. Putting you on the car. Alright. How are we going to secure this? Put it on the top. It's going to fall over as soon as I move it. That was fun. Elisa's angry at me now. Okay, so it's out of focus, but I've secured it in spot. And now I'll take you on a tour of the house through the remote control car's eyes. That's the reindeer. This is fun. I'm so smart. Alright, we'll go see the Christmas tree. Are you angry at me now? Because I don't want to go on the hunt. You see me. Alright, I'm too tired.
Push that one. The page in the neck?
Yeah. That's enough for the tour now. Oh. We're in the shopping centre. I didn't bring my vlogging camera, but I felt like filming. I'm getting an iced coffee. It's going to be tasty. We're going home now. In case you're wondering, I'm filming on the front facing camera, which is why I keep looking at myself. Got a bottle of Coke. My sister just sent me a message. But yeah, we're going home. It looks very pixelated right now. This is going to look terrible. I'm going to go to bed now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you tomorrow for a really, really hot day. Bye.